I'll be showing you how to hide the notification contents on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So simply swipe up to the app screen and then scroll down to settings. Under settings, go to notifications. Under notifications, scroll down and tap on advanced settings. And then you should see the option to show with details. So once you have notifications enabled, you'll have the option to disable this, and so that the notifications you get will not show the details of those notifications. Now, also, if you want to, you can choose to turn the screen on or off when you get new notifications. But this one is what will hide the contents. Once you disable this, it's going to show you the notification on the Galaxy Fit 3, but it will not show the contents of that notifications. So for instance, you can see that you got a message, but you will not see the contents of that message. So that's basically how to hide notification contents on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.